takes us to the equation for a circle. In general, if you have a circle with a center at the point HK, so here's my center, has coordinates H and K, and the radius is R, then the center radius form of the equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Now, if the center is at 0, 0, then h is going to be 0 and k is going to be 0. K is 0 and h is 0, and you just get x squared plus y squared equals r squared. So here we have the equation of a circle. X plus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 9. And, oops, if I write my formula for the circle underneath it, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, you can see that the center is at the point -2, 1. This -2 comes from the value of h, that if you write this instead of using a plus, if you write it using a minus, x plus 2 is the same as x minus a -2. This -2 is the value for h, which gives you the x value for the vertex, for the circle, for the center of the circle. And then y minus 1 corresponds to y minus k, so the k value is 1. The center of the circle is at -2, 1, and then radius squared is equal to 9. And radius squared equals 9. If you take the square root of both sides, you really get two answers, plus or minus, but the radius is considered a distance from the center, and distance cannot be negative. So the radius is 3. So here's our circle. When you draw the circle, you want to start at your center at -2, 1, and then you want to plot points on the circle that are 3 units away from the center. So you want to go 3 units to the right from the center. That's 1, 2, 3 units to the right. And here we end up at the point 1, 1. From the center, you want to count to the left 3 units, 2, 3, so that you're on the same horizontal line. Going to the left 3 units will move the x value to the left 3 units to -5, and the y value stays at 1. You want to count up 3 units from the center. When you're counting up, you're working with the y value, and you're increasing the y value by 3. So this 1 that's the y value will become a 4, and the x value stays at -2. And from the center, you want to count down 3 units. 2, 3. And that's decreasing the y value by 3. 1 take away 3 gives you a -2. And the x value here is -2. So use those 4 points to guide you in drawing your circle.